Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the Queston network so the VPN install goes smoothly. Enable developer mode from the Oculus mobile app because sideloading requires that permission. Next, make sure a PC on the same LAN has ADB tools ready. You will use ADB to push files. Also find and note your Quest 3 local IP in settings right arrow about and use 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce latency. Once done, you're ready to transfer the VPN client to the headset. You now perform the main installation or configuration. If sideloading, connect the Quest via USB, accept the ADB prompt on the headset, then run a db install VPN. App from your PC, this installs the client directly. Alternatively, configure the VPN at the router or hotspot level using an open VPN or WireGuard profile so all devices benefit. Make sure to grant the VPN app local network and storage permissions inside the headset and allow it to run. You finish by establishing and checking the secure link. Open the VPN app on your Quest, import the profile or enter your account credentials, and tap Connect. Watch status messages carefully. Then verify success using an in-headset browser to check your external IP or run a ping to a known host so you confirm traffic routes through the VPN. If something goes wrong, reboot the headset, reinstall the APK, or switch protocols from UDP to TCP to see if connectivity stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.